I want to try something different this time. Have some packages and then we continue. You already know this is Donald and Douglas. I expected this to be here before Christmas, but it's late. So we have Donald and Douglas. I'm gonna paint them baby blue, you know. Now the next package has been sent from a seller from Amazon, so I'm gonna do it's a scale. So I did not pay anything for this, so I'm just going to do a honest review. So expect that it's in the opposite side. So there it is. Comes with the USB-C cable, manual, and here it is, the scale from General Electric. I guess we need to plug it here with the USB-C cable. Once it's fully charged, you need to press this button right over there and then let it go, release, and it will be all good. It does have an app. It's called Fit. I already did a little test and I added some users where you can switch the users and it will record the weight and everything. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to buy it. I must say I like how shiny it looks and reflective. Anyways, let's continue. What is that? So we're working on some custom models. Already done this before, so just let them dry in the heater. Quick update, we have some cards almost ready to go. And I have to say that this machine is making a big difference. If I haven't mentioned it before, thank you very much XTOOL for sending me that laser machine. And of course I will do a review for your next machine, also the fire safety device. But let's continue. So we have here some pre-cut boards. These are the seats for the model Ada, Mabel and Jane. And I did not mention that one, so these are the back of the seats and these are other small seats, and here's the platform. And I already have painted the walls, side walls, and the back ready to go. So she's assembling these parts today, and we're doing a lot of stuff at the same time. If you follow my channel, this is a prototype of the coil hopper. It's almost complete. I would say it's complete. So I haven't recorded the video yet, so I just did the prototype and then I'm going to do the video. Also, as you might know, I'm working on Gordon's Express coaches, and I designed these version 1 buggy cars. They actually work nice, and it should go attached right there. And I need to figure out the coupling. So there's one option for this. The coupling will go screwed here with a swiveling coupler, or I might redesign it and do an adapter to the cart, to this buggy cart right here. I'll check that later. So it's almost done. The roof is very easy, but I had no time. I'm doing a lot of stuff at the same time, so I'm gonna answer some questions. It looks really nice and awesome, and I'm gonna try to do some that you can buy it and make it yourself. So it's going to be a pre-cut. So I have here all the parts. It's already pre-cut and just ready to assemble and paint. So whoever is interested, you're going to be able to buy the parts and just do it yourself. It's really fun and entertaining project if you want to do that. Okay, we're going to start with the questions. So there we have some questions. What is your favorite engine from Thomas and Friends and why? I do not have any favorite character, so Percy Thompson asks, will you make a LBSCR Black Thomas? You know, there are a lot of projects that I'm working right now. Since we got the laser machine, everything is very easy for me, and I will try to do my best. Asking, I don't know if I pronounced that right. What is your favorite Thomas character? I already answered that. I do not have any favorite character. How often do you go on vacation? To be honest with you, I never had a vacation. But from time to time, I take the kiddos to Kalahari. A friend of mine gives me some free tickets, so I take them a couple times a year. I guess he's asking if I can do a custom Bertram. It's already done, so I don't need to do it. Gordon with 2 tenders is very easy. I guess you can attach 2 Gordon tenders, or you can attach Spencer's tenders to a normal Gordon. The next one is, what is your favorite custom you have made? Even though I made a lot of customs, I do not have a favorite custom. It's like nothing impressed me, actually. Yeah, that's it. I cannot ship to other countries. They're asking, will your custom Trackmaster website ship to other countries? I can't. I do not have control of the shipping company. I've tried several different ways, but the company does not allow me to ship to another country, so I can't. Will you make molded traction rods? I will try. Okay, the next question. A lot of people asking me if they can send me models to fix and repair, but I can't right now, so I'm gonna try to just return whoever sent me models. Since we moved from to another address, and I took everything from the storage, it took me 2 months to get everything to the new address. What has been the most difficult Trackmaster to fix and why? I think it was Mavis, because it took me a long time. The only problem was the paint. What was my inspiration to do or start creating custom Trackmaster engines? I always fix and repair things, so I think I get into the opportunity to fix and repair some models, so that's when I started. And actually I started this because of business. But I will not make any customs for other ranges like a wooden railway or take and play, because there's no profit on that. So the last question, do you ever become more permanent on eBay or not? If so, what will be the next stage of selling custom stickers? And okay, the reason to sell on eBay is because I need to, in order to support my channel, I sell my products, my custom models. I do not ask anyone for a Patreon or anything like that, because I think it's not fair just to take the money from somebody else's. And I think it's, well, that's my opinion. I think it's just better to make something, a custom model and a product, and then sell it. So that's pretty much what I think. And stickers, now the stickers and decals take so much time, and from time to time I put them for sale, but not really. I don't like to do that. And I try to make some downloadable links or something so you can print it at home. But since I have a lot of projects, I just stop doing one thing and go to the next step and the next step and the next step. That's all for today's Q&A, and let's continue. I can't do this with one single hand. I can't cut and use the other hand for the camera. But anyways, so what we have here, oh, excellent. Ooh, rubber. So this is for our, I did this as a prototype. So this is not flexible. This is just a prototype, but I was trying to see how it looked. Now we have the rubber. This is rubber, and it's going to be flexible. Oh yeah, look at that. Amazing. This is very, very awesome. So I'm going to try to do a batch of these couplings. So this is the way I support my channel. I do some stuff. I'm going to try to cut this with a laser machine and put them for sale. If they are for sale or ready for sale, check the link in the description. Okay. ¿Ah? Vente, pues. ¿Más espagueti? ¿Ya acabaste tu pizza, Chino? Was it good? Yeah, it was good. Right, Kevin? You full? Hasta que venga la señora le dices que te dé más chora. So that's it for tonight.